Okay, learning target 1A, I can identify parent functions. We are going to take a look at 10 different parent functions. There are others. We will get to some of them later in this course. We will not get to all of them. When we look at our 10 parent functions, we want to notice their general shape. We want to notice what its matching equation or matching function would be. We want to know what it is called, what it is named, and we want to be able to identify a table of values. We're going to use our graphing calculator, and we're going to graph these parent functions. So we're going to start with f of x equals x. That is a linear function. So you want to go ahead and graph that now. Then look at your graph and its table of values. And in your notes, you will want to list the shape of the graph. What does the graph look like? You will want to list the equation of the function. You will want to list the name of the function. And you will want to list the table of values, which of course is just a partial table of values, but you'll want to list some of those table of values. Now we're going to look at the next one. The next one is f of x equals x squared. That is a quadratic. And again, you want to list what does it look like as a graph, what is the equation of the function, what is the name of the function, and a table of values for the function. So you will want to list all four of those things for each one of these equations. So I'm going to go ahead at this time and give you the rest of these equations and their names. We have f of x equals x cubed, which is called a cubic function. F of x equals x to the fourth, which is called a quartic function. F of x equals the square root of x. That would be our square root function. F of x equals 2 raised to the power of x. That's called an exponential function. And it does not have to have a 2, but it does have to have a number larger than 0, but not equal to 1. Okay? Our next one is f of x equals log base 2 of x, and that is a logarithmic function. And then we have f of x equals 1 over x, which is a rational function. And f of x equals the absolute value of x, which is an absolute value function. And f of x equals c, which is called a constant. C is actually a number. You could put any number you want to when you go to graph this in your calculator. You could put 4, you could put -2, -1/2. You could put 1/3. It does not matter what the number is. Notice, however, that there is not a variable in the constant function, only a number.